In the ancient city of Joppa lived a woman whose kindness would change everything. Her name was Tabitha, and she spent her days sewing clothes for widows and caring for the poor. Every stitch was made with love, every garment a gift from her heart. But then tragedy struck. Tabitha suddenly died, and the entire community fell apart. Widows gathered around her lifeless body, weeping as they held up the beautiful tunics and robes she had made for them. These weren't just clothes, they were symbols of her sacrificial love. Desperate, the disciples sent for Peter. When he arrived, he did something remarkable. He cleared the room, knelt beside her body, and prayed. Then he spoke 4 simple words. Tabitha, arise. Her eyes opened. She sat up, alive. The community erupted in amazement as Peter presented their beloved friend back to them. This miracle shows us something powerful. God sees every act of service, every moment of sacrifice. When we pour our lives into others, we create ripples that touch entire communities. Follow for daily faith motivations.